TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes into the trading day. And let's check in on the markets as all the major indices currently in the red. Dow Jones negative by 75 points, trading at 24,693. S&P's negative by 3 points, trading at 27.19, and the NASDAQ negative by 11 points, trading at 73.86. Let's start things off and look at the VIX this morning. VIX currently trading at 1377, getting a little upward action as this market declines after the opening bell. And speaking of the market, let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the NASDAQ 100, currently trading 69.19. We traded lower into the overnight session and making the lows just before the opening bell, call it 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and from there we're about 20 points off that low. Dow 30 currently trading higher as we speak, 24,707. Lows of the session made just after the opening bell, call it 24,664, about 40 points off that low. S&P 500, pretty similar action, climbing as we speak, trading at 27.20, reaching a low just after the opening bell this morning at 27.14. Gold contract continuing to struggle this morning, under 1290, trading at 1288.07. We're as low as 1284 a few hours ago at 6:20 a.m. Eastern Time. And crude oil with some volatility as well. Overnight session, 5 a.m., spiking higher. We traded to a high of 72.29 before pulling back a bit. Currently trading just under $72, call it $71.90. And Bitcoin with a pretty tight trading range this morning, currently trading 83.05. So it is still earnings season. JCPenney disappointing. So disappointing with their sales decline, and more importantly, the outlook slashed. And as we jump over to the JCPenney shares this morning, not the result you would want if you were a JCPenney shareholder. Talk about some volatility. We get those numbers. Spikes down to 260, currently trading at about 279, down almost 10% on the day. Also, in terms of fundamental news out there, you have a report. Wells Fargo shares sinking on a report that employees altered customer documents in its business banking unit. It just does not stop for Wells Fargo in terms of negative headlines, in terms of what was going on over there. That doesn't seem like Wells Fargo, does it? WFC, we'll get it. There we go, down about 1.4%. Stay tuned, coming back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great day, everybody.